This is a brand new 2014 BMW X3. This crossover has an 8-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, BMW apps, BMW Assist, a multi-link rear suspension, a turbocharger, hill descent control, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: aluminum wheels, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, BMW individual composition, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, 8-way power adjustable seats, and 12 perfectly positioned speakers producing great sound quality throughout the cabin. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.